girl Bree, and I'm back with another video. In today's episode, I will be doing, drum roll please, a SHEIN haul. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I really don't know what's all in this box because this package is like 3 weeks old. But I will tell you, I'm in Alaska, remember? So the temperatures are still like 14 to 24 degrees. So don't be surprised when the things in this box, it's not too much springish, okay? Because yeah, I'm still living in low temperatures weather. Might well say I'm still in winter time. Very ghetto, but yeah. Let's get into it. While I am doing this haul, I'm going to make sure that I drop a picture of everything that I'm trying on. And I also like to add that I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like SHEIN is like my go-to website because not only do they sell clothes, they sell like so many different things. And your girl gonna try everything they have on there. So anything you can think of, I probably already done ordered it, done tried it out, all that. Let's see what we got first. And these little bags are so cute. Like you can use them for anything. This is a cute pullover. It is oversized. So let me bring it to the camera so you guys can see. I got this pullover because I have some like air mats that are like this color. So let's try this on to see how it looks on me. I love it. It's cute. I wish it had pockets because as you can see, I was about to reach down and put my hands in pockets that are not there. But I love the back. Let's see what's next. As y'all can see, I have a thing for sweaters. This is a sweatshirt. And I mainly get sweatshirts because 9 times out of 10, I probably got some shoes to match them. So keep smiling, feeling good. World is a better place with you in it. Let's see. Please don't tell me I got all pullovers and sweatshirts. Yeah, I really live in Alaska because ain't no way I'm having to buy sweatshirts and pullovers in the springtime. All right, let's try it on. Oh, this one got pockets. Okay, yeah. Like I said, if it got pockets, it's for me. This is a size medium also. Mainly I wear a medium in everything for the most part. It's cute, it's warm. I don't think this is a pullover. Looks like some, what is this? No, for real. Oh, it's a crop top. A turtleneck crop top, I think. I'm trying to see what the here you go with. Okay, take 2. Here's the turtleneck, and it's very much turtlenecking because it's choking me up here. But I really forgot what I was supposed to do with this or what outfit I was trying to put together. But yeah. Now I'm gonna leave this turtleneck on because now I think I know what I was trying to do. So, hold on. Ooh, this thing is very heavy. Ooh. Ooh, very comfy. What size did I get this? Oh, I think it said, oh, what? One size? I know I ain't do no one size fit all. Anywho, I don't know what it looks like on camera, but I like the vibe it's giving. I'm not sure if I wear this, if I'm gonna do a black turtleneck, but you know, it's cute. I think this is a dress for my birthday photo shoot, so I'm gonna just put that to the side because you know I ain't trying to let y'all see that yet. Let's see what this is. It is a dress. Okay. Look like like it should be giving body, but I don't know if my body gonna give body in it. With a little cardigan. All right. I have to turn my fluorescent light on. But yeah, so dress, cardigan to go with it. We about to try it on. Making where it is this week. Well, these are the blue types. These blue types are definitely given, and I think I ordered a black pair too. Same material as these blue types, and I have some green joggers. So here are the joggers. They are cute too. I don't like all these wrinkles, but you know, I guess we can knock these good old wrinkles out. But yeah. So that was all the clothes that I bought, but I do want to show you guys some other different items. So I did order some earrings, and this is not my first time ordering earrings from SHEIN. What I can say, they are just like earrings that you buy from the hair store for 99 cents. These are not the type of earrings that you should wear every day. You wear them, take them off. Wear them, take them off. Y'all get it? But they are super cute. And this is a gold bracelet and some more gold earrings. And in this box, there are some sunglasses. And there were 3 pairs, and they definitely gonna look good with some of these outfits that I'm trying to put together. And baby, when I say I will order anything from SHEIN, please believe me, because yeah, as you can see, these are some lashes. Hope my eyes don't fall out of my socket. So they are cute, and we gonna see what they look like once your girl put them on. Not on this video though. Y'all will see them on something, but me and lashes, we don't get along. And then I got these good old heels. And last, some white socks, and you can't go wrong with some white socks, for real. I'm over here trying to snap some good pictures so I can get a good thumbnail. But thank you guys for watching. Please hit that bell notifications button so you can tap in every time I post a video.